Western California, Orange County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywalk network of radio operators. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Apple and Lucerne valleys today. Mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Areas of winds with 15 to 25 miles an hour. Gusts to 40 miles.